Today we're working on a 2002 Honda 450 ES, and we've got brand new SUNF Power 1 tires, and we're gonna get those swapped out and installed on this machine. Go ahead and pull your tire. Okay, here's the first one off. 450 pulled down to bare axles. A brand new set of SUNF Power 1 series tire. 6-ply. We live in a very rocky area with lots of desert and stuff, so we're hoping that these will do the job and hold up for us for a long time. These tires are 25 by 8 on a 12-inch, and the rears are 25 by 10 on a 12-inch rim. Okay, we just got our tires mounted, so we're getting ready to put them onto the 450. Okay, we just finished putting our SUNF tires on. Looks like they've got nice tread. 25-inch. So we torqued these at 47 foot-pounds, and we're ready to go.